Hello, welcome to an e-demo on Swipe and Show in victorWeb. Swipe and Show enables us to monitor all swipes on doors and elevators from a secure and Victor unified environment using the victorWeb interface. So to open up that interface, I'm going to go to the Monitor menu and I'm going to choose Swipe and Show. You can see we have the Swipe and Show interface here. The first thing you'll notice is that we have this Swipe and Show is not enabled message at the top here, and that is because we have yet to select any doors or elevators to monitor swipes on. So to select those objects, we can just choose either the doors icon or the elevators icon below it, and all we need to do is select the doors which we want to monitor. We can also choose this select all option at the top here. That's just going to select all of the doors in the system. And you'll see then, as I move back to the interface, we have the swipes beginning to come through. What I can do at any point is select one of the swipes just by clicking on it. And when I do that, I'm going to get all of the information about that person over on the right hand pane. So you can see we have their card access status, we have their name, we have the door that they've swiped at and the time that that swipe was, and we also have their personnel type. Down at the bottom here, we also have their last 10 swipes and the time and the message from the swipe as well. You'll also notice that when I clicked that person, we have paused our live stream. And we can use these buttons in the upper right hand corner to navigate that live stream. So we can choose play just to play it again. We can also go live at any point just by choosing the go live button. And we can use some of these other navigation buttons to navigate between pages or between swipes. What we can also do is select this menu here, and you'll see we have a lot of options in there. So we can choose to show only admits or only rejects. We can also choose to show or hide text. We can show video if there is a camera associated with the door, and we can choose whether to display this pane in horizontal view or vertical view, and the number of cards to display as well. Whenever I'm happy with my setup, I can choose this Save as New button. That's going to save a new Swipe and Show layout. So I can just give that a name, and I can choose the Save button, and that layout will be saved. So if I just go back to the home page and then back into the Swipe and Show interface, you can see it opens in that default view again. If I choose this Fixed Views button, you'll see there is my layout. I can just select it, and that's going to open up with all of the things which I set before. So you can see we have all of the doors which I selected, and you can see that we're only monitoring for rejects, and we're doing that in a horizontal view.